Hi guys, this is our new channel, ABC Goats. Right now we're going to show you how to make dehydrated beet pulp, which we call goat meal. We'll show you why it's called that in a minute here, but we're going to get started. So come on. So we bought ours from Buckerfield. It looks like that. It's pretty much just small pellets, small dry pellets, and when added to water it expands. Kind of the same concept of oats and oatmeal, you know. So anyways, we're gonna get started here. So in the big one, we're going to we're gonna add 7 scoops. And in the bowl here, we're just going to do about 3 or 4 scoops. So, rule of thumb, guys, it's about 1 scoop per goat. So, if you have 10 goats like we do, that's roughly around 10 scoops. You know, 11 if you're feeling generous. Okay, so right now we're going to add hot water. We just fill up a bucket here inside, just normal hot water, like in the bathtub. Just crank it up to as hot as it'll go. Should do the trick. And we just kind of fill it to just above, just so it's submerged enough for it to, you know, soak it up, but you don't want too much water in there or else it'll take too long for the process to go through and there'll be excess water in the end. So we're just going to leave it like that for about a couple hours and we'll come back. Okay. Hi guys, it's been about an hour and a half and the goat meal is pretty much done. You can tell it's finished when the top layer starts to dry out, as you can see that's happening. This stuff is pretty much ready to feed them. So that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. Thanks. Bye.